there's something moving in the sky right there. No, I'm not messing with you. I swear. Look, right there. Do you see it? Look past my fingers. I know what piece it too.
Where?
Oh my God, go up there. Get a better view. I
can't see anything. Did it?
Look, it just flew off.
It went that way?
Yes.
Oh my God, let's see. I don't know. It flew that way. I don't know.
Go. Hey, yo, did you see that? Did you see that?
What is it?
What is that?
Whoa!
What's that? Look!
What are they filming? They're filming. They're messing with it. He's filming. Oh my God.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Should we follow it?
Downstairs.
Follow it! Look at the sky! Oh my God!
I don't know, dude. That's freaking nuts.
Come on!
What is it? Come on. We're nuts.
Guys, did you see that? Did you see it?
What is it?
Don't get it. Don't get it. I don't know what it is. Did you see it?
Oh my God. These people are crazy.
Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this?
What is it?
Whoa!
Oh God.
Get in this.
What is it? What did you see?
Something.
I don't see
something slipping through the air. Have you got that?
It's all the way over there. It's all the way over there. Did you see something?
I saw it. How do you know? What's going on?
I haven't seen anything. I don't know.
No, it's
Christ, dude. I don't see anything. Dude, let's go.
How'd you open this door?
Let's go. Go.
Let's follow it! Follow it!
What is it? Be careful. Be careful. What is that? Ah, but that could be a satellite. That could be a satellite.
Oh, what the?
Dude. Is that even real? I don't know, but it's not moving. It could be a satellite. No?
Look, it is moving. Look, it's moving. It's moving. Look at it.
I don't know.
Look. Everyone can see it.
Let's see. Yo, this is a flying saucer. I'm trying. If this is a UFO, Playa del Carmen, baby. Is that an alien?
What is it?
Yo, this is insane. But I don't know if it's real or not. Did you just left your car there, dude?
Oh, your car.
What is this? I don't know. It looks real. But it could be a satellite, no?
What? A satellite?
Yeah, it could be a satellite.
Why are we running?
No, I don't see. No, I think it left.
Okay. How to charge this shit?
Let's kill it. Come here.
Oh.
Come here.
Can you see it, bro? Is it just me?
It's back again.
Oh my God.
It's back again. Sorry.
It's one of those new Tesla satellites, bro.
Oh my God! What is it, dude?